It's your girl Stephanie, and as you could tell by the title, we're gonna have a little chit chat. And I haven't done a chit chat video in such a long time, and I've always said it's because my kids are noisy or whatever is going on, maybe the case be. But I feel like this is the perfect time to talk about what's going on in the beauty community and people that technically are not in the beauty community at that. So let's talk. So yeah, okay, so everyone knows drama channels have been around for a long time, but they've been popping up like popcorn lately. Like, everyone has a drama channel. It's just been popping up. People are trying to spill the tea, drink the tea, drink the Kool-Aid. I don't care what they're trying to do, but they're trying to do it. And I've been noticing a lot of drama communities are feeling like, I'm just going to compare it to Fox News and CNN. That's what it feels like. Some people are not giving the facts. They are just feeling like everyone's on payroll lately. That's what it feels like. I remember before, you can go to a drama channel like Lord, I'm gonna say his name wrong. Sanders Kennedy, like back in the day when he first started spilling the tea, the gossip, everything, he used to bring facts and he used to bring some good opinions, but it never felt like he was straight up bullying people like they are doing now. Like, it feels like nowadays, it feels like the dynamic and concept is Mean Girls, and it feels like nobody is actually, there's this group who feels like they're just not really even giving straight facts and tea anymore. It just feels like we're on the payroll, so we're going to talk nasty and dirty about you. That's what it feels like. And it feels like some of the people that they're trying to spill tea about, it feels like at this point in time, like there's really nothing more you could say about these people, but you do. And then it feels like every 5 seconds you turn around, their videos are about literally the same person. So it feels like literally every time this person does anything, you see a video. I'm like, this is not tea. This is not nothing. This is just y'all kissing some balls at this point, because it doesn't feel like, you know, what they're doing has anything relevant to any other thing. But then if it's another person that is against this person, then it's straight bullying at this point. And in my mind, I'm just like, when did it switch? That before it was not like this. When did that switch happen? Like, I remember when it was the days of John Cookian, you know, and he was just straight fraud, but at the same time you just love to listen to him spill the tea about it. And I remember when Petty Page was first starting, and she only had like 1,000 subscribers and 5,000 subscribers, and she was actually bringing a lot more hunger and a lot more tea to it, you know. And I feel like her personality was so much more vibrant and bubbly and funny, and you know, and now it feels like, whoa, you're telling us not to bully this person, but you were straight garbage to everybody else. Like, I'm not understanding. Same with Rich Lux. I remember when Rich Lux first came out, he was hilarious when he first came out. And now it feels like I don't like watching his videos because they're about the same person. Every time you turn around, it's like, and then he clickbaits really bad. And then I think the final tea was when he really talked about Jackie Aina. And it was bad. I was like, are we really stooping that low to talk about her? And I'm just like, we're on the payroll here. I see. So that's when I really start losing a little respect. And then Nick Schneider, I don't know how to say his name. I really haven't gotten into him too much. I follow him on Twitter because he was suggested because of Rich Lux. And then when I really started seeing him in Rich Lux videos and him really talking about certain people, and it was just like, oh, this is what we do. Like, this is what we do. So it felt like it just didn't feel genuine anymore. And I feel like some of the times, like Katrina Kaboom, I like her because even though she'll still has her opinions of certain people, she still has her opinions, and it doesn't feel like her opinions are too clouded, because she's been through some dirt, some bad pain and dirt, but I don't feel like she's really been bought out just yet. You can't really trust some people because you never know. Some people still have the opportunity to get those coins and get bought, you know. And then when you hear influencers are actually buying drama channels to, you know, pump up their names, and after a while you're just kind of like, yeah. So like some of the tea spilling channels and some of the channels where, you know, you don't see anybody and, you know, you just have to read and know the facts. Those ones I don't mind. I do mind when it goes a little too far to where you can't have an opinion anymore and all the opinions are of the same thing. And I feel like at that point, that's not spilling any tea. That's not a drama channel. That's causing drama. And then I feel like if they're getting free PR because of it, and they're getting all these deals now because they're sold to the devil at this point in my eyes. It's just not. It's not anything anymore to me. To where I'm like, what's the point of me calling yourself a drama channel if you are in fact, well, I guess if you are causing drama, but it's like you're causing drama in the beauty community and you're not really in the beauty community. So I'm just kind of like, some of these channels are in the community to gain settings of it. So yeah, and then, you know, they're all right now having their own drama geddons, which is funny. And the fact that some of them are being caught up with a lot of racism things that they had drug people for. They drug people to the filth for. And I'm just like, what was the point of y'all doing that, knowing that y'all got some skeletons, like them bodies are fried in that closet? So in my mind, I'm just kind of like, it's painful a lot of times to have all these drama channels pop up on my YouTube suggestions, and then you watch it and it's just kind of like, oh, this bull crap again. This is what we're all talking about. And then they all talk about the same thing. And then it's just like, yeah, I've seen how this happens. So I've learned in this community, it's like you have to buy out a drama channel. Those, like, I don't know. But when I start seeing a lot of people, this is what I've learned. When I start seeing a lot of people congregate together, there's gonna be some bull crap, because, you know, someone's gonna turn on somebody because they want to get that Illuminati coin up effect. I don't know. That's what I'm just saying. So, and then at this point, a lot of them, the main drama channels, I can't trust anymore for nothing. Like, if they're telling me it's raining outside in their county, I'm gonna look up the news. Like, oh, okay, they telling the truth. Because at this point, a lot of them are lying, and a lot of them are just straight garbage at this point, you know. And I miss the days when it wasn't like this. And this is why I always say, this is why YouTube has to just, they have to monitor so much, because there's just so much bull crap going on. And I'm just like, a lot of these drama channels have to be, they just have to be stopped, because they're just not, they're not what they used to be. Like, some of them, like I said, Katrina Kaboom, she's still pretty who she is. You know, she's still who she is, even though some of it is some straight bull about, like I said, I mean, like, when you see how much Rick Vlogs has changed, how much Petty Page has changed, it just makes you want to go, wow. And, you know, and then, you know, he's sitting there talking about how people are trying to take him down. They're trying to read more into it. They're trying to do this. They're trying to do that. And then it's like, my mind, it's like, no, you did that. My son is so loud. But you did that. You're the one who pretty much set this up to be this way. You were dirty to people. You pretty much were not living a right life. You can be a drama channel, but you can still be honest. That's the thing people fail to realize. You can still be honest. You can still live your truth, but you don't have to be dirty to people in the process of trying to get them coins. And I understand this is a cutthroat world we're in, and I understand, like, a lot of things are just not right, you know. But this eyelash is so wonked up, Jesus. Oh my God. It's better. It's better. So yeah, I was literally got done filming this tutorial, and then I clicked on my phone and I saw something that made me just drop it and just like, you know what, let me push record again, because there is some straight bull crap going on in this community, you know. And I always said, you know, it takes a lot for me to want to talk about certain stuff, because a lot of times I stay silent about some things. But when you start to really notice, a lot of things are the same going on, and everything is literally not fair, and it's just unbiased now, and it's just like, come on, like they're literally trying to feed you this person that's the messiest person out there, and they're trying to make it seem like everyone else is messy, not including the things that they're doing. So it's just one of those where you're just like, it feels like the Donald Trump, the beauty community. That's what I feel like. That's what I feel like. And that's what I feel, this big rift. It's just huge. And then when you're seeing the drama channels involved with it, you're just like, oh, so you're the media of the beauty community. And I'm just like, I'm over it. I am over it. I miss the days where there was honesty. I like that. Honesty. But yeah, I miss the days when there was honesty, honest reviews, honest everything. Everything is such a lie. Everything is such a just, everything is just messy. And you know, sometimes I don't mind a little honest mess if it's warranted. But when you're starting to notice a lot of mess that is planted mess, so you're just like, here we go with this stuff. But at this point I'm rambling, because I'm literally just talking what's on my head. But if you guys want more of these videos, just let me know in the comments below, because I feel like I just want to talk more, because I like to talk and I don't get to talk enough, because I be just on this machine sewing. So yeah, like I said, subscribe, comment, love it. Let me know how you feel, and I'll talk to you guys later, my loves.